Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Again. Nago-ke umnisi-ke, he was trying to ask questions ebuza Gideon Khosi. Hayibo umuntu uvela abe irritable and defensive. I'm just like, or they just don't gel nje these two aba-understandani because ngapha uRatha obviously uzongena emlomeni angene Mr. Mnisi abukise ngaye ecourt. There was no need for that though. Ngoba he should have just left them nje bayilwele bayenze noma yini actually that they want to do in court. Baxabane boba u2 uRatha will ngena ulokhu zemlomeni and then yonke into baloyi. Everything baloyi. Is that hard? Because what was that? It's just disrespectful for advocate Mnisi. And advocate Mnisi, guys, it doesn't give up. Yileo type. Finding a I did pick up kancane sometimes ngathi akalaleli. You understand? But you know how it is. At times, it's that whole thing yokuthi ufuna ukuzwa what you want to hear. Ukanjalo. So baphikisana manje ngendaba ukuthi Gideon Khosi uthe accused number 2. That's not what I said. I had said 5. So kuzodlala recording, guys. When waste of time. He's been there, that guy, now 3 days. He's gonna be here for another 10 days, basically. Gideon. I don't know what you think of him, but I just feel good. I don't want to blame him anymore because everything. Hi, Mr. Steyn gave it to me. Mr. Steyn, Mr. Steyn. But now he's been briefed. This guy, he's been coached. But no, this is what you're going to say there. Don't back down when you get there. Be this person. I'm like, this guy. Why is he getting irritable? We need answers. And this busy actually. We don't need those people, in fact. Bonke labantu lo cell phone expertise osinceda ngani life in. Ngoba he wasn't even there when Senzo was killed. That's just my line, mina. Ngihamba nalo line until I'm not even backing down what I mean. Ngihamba nalo line ukuthi ngifuna abantu abawu6 inside that court. That's all we are looking for. Ukuthi uKelly, it comes out ukuthi sisters wafona nge15. So uyayibona ukuthi bakanjani. It's like, yeah, Sisi, you called them vele, you wanted to be to look like it's a hit, can't win. Mastermind. So uyabona ukuthi there's a lot, guys, kuningi ya kule case. Bezikhala ke ecourt. Abethuthana umnisi. No, Gideon. Ngoba uvela abe irritable ubhuti wakho akwade umnisi was like, bro, please calm down. Like, what's going on? Kubona bese kusho such a njalo vele. I was like, yeah, so nje umnisi was like, hey wena kahle. You need to calm down. And then uRatha will never protect umnisi. It depends as not him. This is crop lab zokwenzani. Uyabathatha nje at some stage begivana nonquma lengane yabantu. Treating him like a boy. That's my other line, my new one. So Ratha, guys, there's no need for him to be like that to the defense. There's really no need for that. There is no need. Ngathi someone angamthiphisa, but manje problem with him ikakatshelo Mr. Experience. In my days, you wouldn't have done this. Meaning ngangifundephi ngangenzeni. Like, we don't care about those things, Tin. You know, we want justice for Usenzo. And they are busy wasting our time. Once again, it's like, where are we going? So, guys, I can challenge what you think of Mnisi. No, Mr. Khosi. Ongibora Mr. Khosi right now. And he's coming back, guys. Busy. Guys, how did you get there? Because usembuza nange rugby is famous, guys. I'm just like, you couldn't tell all right. Life in Mr. Experience. So, guys, you must just let me know what you think of him. Busy ebugisa ngomnisi. You know, there was no need for that. Guys, this is I need to remember Senzo Meyiwa Katie Sipomnisi ubesakhuluma noHost ne uclose semkwatela. He was getting irritable like ayibona ngumuntu, you know. No Ratha ke mazi kwevela uzofakaza ke. Then today ke when we were still waiting ke today on the 19th come komunye umuntu uHosangezi. Khosi is coming back apparently on Monday. And then sisalinde kanjalo kuvele ngoba vele at the end of the day umnisi ubezomdlisa ngamapayipi ukhosi guys. Umnisi he does not play like that. He does not play like that. He was like shouting at him yesterday, and this one was getting irritable now. When umnisi said, sometimes angizwa, and what you've just said now, and goes good to Putin. Can you repeat yourself and go slowly? And then this guy started reading out loud. Umnisi was like, bro, like, what are you even doing? I've just told you, you must be slow. How can I explain what I'm explaining when you are talking over me? This was lost it. Uzongena uJudge Ratha. So iphelele lapho kangithi on Thursday. So now uBaloyi, you know him, angithi entourage kaGininda is always bringing witnesses, the same ones, guys. That we saw last year, Mukhola no Mukhano. Uvulethe umkhola kuSanjani Mokhola uSisters loya awayena mangani. And someone now came up with a story so ukuthi uyi-girlfriend kaGininda. I was like, our guys, same we don't know when to stop. How is she? And twice now this thing is coming out ukuthi anyway girlfriend kaGininda. Guys, Aibo, Kazini, this can be like, I'm just like, I don't know, is it hearsay? Ngoba phela nomnisi besethi Judge Ratha. So manje fanele ngikhulume nje from izinto nje ngicabangile. I need like proper things. I can't just assume stuff, you know. So nje guys, I'm here say lapha ukuthi ubani wathini. And you know what's crazy? Ratha does actually allow a state, Ubaloyi for example, to agree on people abanama hearsay, but ngeke azavuma defense. It's I know but it's actually a hearsay. Akafuni uyakwati. Mina nje uRatha I really don't know, but I just even feel ukuthi ubias uRatha. And unabantu bakhe kwasayena or usebenzisana noGininda na. Asimazi guys, like thina we are tired to a point where thina all we want sifuna nje justice for Usenzo. Ezinye izinto they really don't matter to us. And bathanda ukuba petty in the courts, like I can't stand it. Babe childish. And that's not what you're looking for, thing. Jobathi sebethethisa nomnisi no Gideon Khosi. Hey Gideon, hey futhi omunye umuntu loyana. Gininda's crew came back again to testify, and then who were in the house. Those are the only people actually that we wanted in, the 6 people, because it's not like when they keep on coming back anything's gonna change from the testimony that they gave. It's just now their testimony is something new. I'm just like, kanjani guys, why didn't you just finish last year? Why are you coming back? So Ubaloyi is bringing them back, guys, one by one, like this rude one that he brought this morning. The sergeant that he brought in, and he forgets ukuthi abantu bayazi ukuthi wayiqhaphazale these guys. So this guy and I worked with him, uThoka wasebenza eRandburg. So Advocate Nxumalo is asking me about ID. We are one of the accused. It's okay. So why are you giving us ID number, right? And then this way you gave us just the date of birth, but it's not the same as the ID. The date of birth is not the same. As I know, these criminals, they took him to other directions. Which criminals? My accused Mina is not a criminal. Yeah. So no Ratha, there are no criminals here. Guys, where do you even get off? Who's like about this guy? What guy sergeant? What him? No, the thing is, these criminals, they never give us the right things. Guys, you can't be serious. Criminals? Guys, you can't go on like that. And then at some stage he was giving us his ID, his date of birth. He was born in 1983. That's how we know. I was like, what are you even doing? You need to know your stuff. I was like, who are the criminals? My accused me is not a criminal. I was on the floor. I was like, why are you even going on like that in court? I mean, it's the whole thing. They can get away with whatever they want to do. And you know what's even crazy? He didn't apologize. I was just like, I'm done. Bye. You know? Because he doesn't even know how to address people there at court. I was like, what are you even doing? You know? And then my thing is that you're busy mentioning Gininda's name. I was like, you when and I actually are the ones that are criminals. How? And Balese usisi wakho was still saying Sergeant Mokhola. Why is she back, guys? This lady, because she lies a lot. Look to her manje. It's been going around since like friend Gininda yasas Kazik. So usisi ke she was testifying ke ukuthi uyena wabopha accused number 1 umuzi kaKhalelwa. She's a liar though, usisi. She hasn't changed. She's still the same person that she was last year, end of last year when she came. I think it was around October. So she's like umuzi kaKhalelwa Sibiya uyena owambopha unamanga usisters. I call them Gininda's children yena uthi it was her bese kuzoba uConstable Buthelezi noConstable Sadiq. She was with them. All of these SAPS employees are the ones who agreed to work with Gininda. Because Gininda, if you don't agree to work with him or if you don't agree to his terms, that's just my thing. Delete. So nje it's just like that into yakhe. Ngoba omabhena waphelela lapho omabhena nomfazi wakhe bahamba kanjalo ngithi nabo yebo ngoba they were not agreeing to Gininda's terms. So bavele bashona nenkosikazi yakhe nje ngendlela enga-understanding ngesingisi mysteriously they were deleted kanjalo. uNgomezulu told uMukhola that you did not was telling uMukhola ukuthi that accused number 1 umuzi kaKhalelwa Sibiya did not commit any crime ngoba wathi akamazi uSenzo Meyiwa yena he had never met uSenzo Meyiwa. SAPS does that work with Gininda. Come to court unannounced. But you're not today, you no, come tomorrow. Yeah, you just come. And then Malo doesn't really tell anybody a day before. And this is honestly ridiculous to me. I really don't understand it. There's people in this case who are involved. So many police that are involved that Gininda was getting from everywhere in this country actually, because even Nasekeze and Gininda is working with people listening through SAPS. Because Pela Brigadier Gininda, he calls the shots. And I've always said to Gininda doesn't work alone. Unabanye who are higher up, higher ranking than him, who are telling him what to do in this case. Just to didisa iskati, I can't just use iskati for nothing. You know? So Mngomezulu said he is bringing his own people now, to clarify some stuff for us, and we need that. And also what you must know about Mngomezulu was busy with Mukhola. He wasn't even playing with her. Hey? He was busy. I was like, yo, guys, I really pray that on Monday things take another direction. Actually, next week, Gobo Warrant Officer Makhubo is coming to tell us in defense of accused number 1. Yo, they must not delete him before he comes. Oh, Nkosam ngiyacela. Ngoba phela omabhena bahamba guys to this day yasazi ukuthi omabhena bahamba kanjani nenkosikazi wakhe. Uyayibona leyo nto le nkosikazi wakhe had some papers for us that we needed for one of those cases because there's actually 3 dockets in Senzo Meyiwa's case. We always getting intention every day. So nje I'm praying ukuthi guys Mngomezulu uNkulunkulu ami izinto zilunge Monday. Mngomezulu guys, he deserves 100 stars. People are coming to testify, guys. Accused number 1 to this day, he refuses wakwabulala uSenzo. He says he doesn't even know him from my bar of soap. Kusho uMngomezulu. And also Mngomezulu did mention that Muzi was released at some stage. Hey guys, when were we gonna know this? Sisizwe ngoMngomezulu is digging and ucabanga ukuthi ubaloyi enexowina yena ne state and baphethe basiphethe. Ngapha guys, you'll see other people busy commenting ukuthi no, please, all those accused vele igebengu. Noma said it ukuthi yes bakhona bayigebengu kubona. But akazi bazibambulala uSenzo at the end of the day just as much as vele igebengu. Yeah, can they be charged for other things? You ubona leyo nto. Hayi ukuthi uvela uthi bayigebengu. So uwake waboshwa uBrothers and was released at some stage because really he doesn't know anything about this case. Senzo Meyiwa wakwaboshwa waphuma. So guys, ngitsheleni kahle ngempela ukuthi when are they going to tell us in that court ukuthi ubani wabulala uSenzo? Ngoba phela they busy basisele we don't deserve that thing. sikhathele and labantu ubaleso balo how can Mukhola come again this girl ngimbiza girl she keeps on coming back like why thina sifuna abantu ababulalo sanzo guys bezosichazela kahle and kahle we actually looking for the 6 people we repeat that that's my line mean every day they must come back and tell us exactly what happened on that day because really guys we are busy beating around the bush I can sense beating like you going around circles. Please guys comment down ningitsheleni kahle we need to make noise guys ngeke senze omunye noma ke fanele bayithole justice omunye uzo what today they will never get it cabanga guys is that even fair man and mina izinto kanjani don't say those things mean around me ngoba uzovele ngikwade ma senze uya deserve guys justice guys I thank you so much for your support thank you.